What if I told you I made my first $1,000 with AI while I was sleeping? Sounds like a scam, right? But it isn't. I'm going to walk you through the exact steps I used so you can copy them yourself. No magic, no hype, just hustle and smart tools. A year ago, I was broke, frustrated, and overwhelmed. I didn't want to be a coder or influencer. I just wanted a simple, repeatable way to make money. So I built one, and it paid me $1,000 fast. Here's the truth. The rules are changing. AI isn't the future. It's here. It can write, design, research, and even sell. It won't replace everything, but it takes care of the boring stuff so you can focus on strategy and execution. When I started, I had under $200 in the bank and only a few hours each night. But I had curiosity. I studied free tutorials, asked dumb questions, failed a lot, and stacked small wins until I hit that first $1,000. The first step was simple. Find a boring problem people already pay to solve. Business owners hate repetitive tasks, writing product descriptions, creating simple social posts, or cleaning up messy spreadsheets. Ask yourself, what takes someone hours that AI can do in minutes? That's where the money is. Next, I built an offer. Not a fancy website or a polished logo, just a promise. 5 high-converting product descriptions in 24 hours for $50. Clear, easy to understand, and easy to buy. This is where AI did the heavy lifting. A client filled out a form with product details. That info went straight to an AI writer. The AI produced drafts. A small script cleaned the formatting. I polished, delivered, and invoiced. What used to take hours now took minutes. I tracked everything in a spreadsheet. What was done, what needed edits, and who to invoice. That tiny system kept me organized and saved me from chaos. Remember this, systems scale, not talent. At first, I offered my service to friends and small sellers. I gave discounts to my first 3 clients in exchange for feedback. One said, make it shorter. Add bullet points I adjusted. They paid. They referred another seller. That's how momentum starts. For growth, I skipped ads. Instead, I used targeted outreach and AI-powered templates. I found small online shops and sent short personal messages like, hey, I love your product. Quick idea. What if your description highlighted this benefit? I can write 5 for $50 and deliver in 24 hours. Interested? Using automation, I personalized each message with the shop and product name. Not spam, human outreach at scale. And replies started coming in. Pricing was tricky. Too cheap and I wasted time. Too expensive and I scared people off. I started low, built proof, then raised prices. Some clients bought once, others ordered 20. The golden rule, keep your promise. Fast delivery builds trust. On day 10, after just a few clients and some outreach, I hit $300. I thought $1,000 would take months, but repeat orders and one big client who bought 20 descriptions pushed me over. Suddenly, it felt real. The math was simple. If I can make $50 per job and deliver 20 jobs a month, that's $1,000. Just a numbers game. Now, quality matters. AI is fast, but it's not perfect. I always reviewed outputs myself. At first, each job took me 20 minutes to fix. Then I got better. I spotted patterns. My review time dropped to 5 minutes per job. That balance, AI speed with human polish, is what clients loved. Of course, I made mistakes. I underpriced myself at the start and burned time. I assumed automation replaced the human touch. It didn't. And I waited too long to ask for testimonials. Learn from me. Ask for feedback immediately. Ask for a testimonial right after delivery. That social proof is gold. There were nights I wanted to quit. I sent 100 outreach messages and got 2 replies. I felt invisible. But instead of quitting, I changed one line in my message. The next morning, replies doubled. Small tweaks change everything. Don't give up on the tough nights. By week 3, I had hit $1,000 in total revenue. My costs were tiny. just cheap AI tools and my time. My profit margin was huge, but the real win wasn't the cash. It was the system, a repeatable, scalable system. Scaling is where the magic happens. I turned testimonials into a landing page. I added a simple payment link. I created a small upsell, like offering social media posts for $25 extra. Upsells doubled my revenue without finding new clients. Clients loved the convenience. I earned more per customer. That's the power of AI. It multiplies effort. Instead of writing 10 descriptions in 10 hours, I delivered 10 in 30 minutes plus a short review. AI gave me leverage. When I hit $1,000, it wasn't just money. It was proof that I could build something that worked. That confidence pushed me to try bigger projects, bigger clients, bigger offers. Small systems created massive belief. If you want to go further, here are a few advanced tips. Niche down. Pick one industry and become their go-to writer. Bundle services, product descriptions, ads, captions. Use results to ask for referrals. Automate reminders for reorders. Each small improvement compounds. Prompts matter too. Don't just say, write a description. Be specific. For example, write a 60-word product description for this product. Target customer, busy moms, problem solved. Dry skin, tone, friendly and urgent. Include 3 benefit bullets that turned chaos into consistency. Pricing is simple math. If you want $1,000, you can do 40 jobs at $25 each, or 20 jobs at $50 each. Choose the model that fits your time and energy. Mindset is everything. Don't chase perfection. Chase consistency. Do one thing well, then repeat. My system was small, boring, effective, and that's the beauty of it. Real clients proved it worked. A soap maker saw a 15% sales boost after I rewrote their product pages. An Etsy seller returned every month for my bundles. Real results built trust and made selling easier. But don't burn out. Set boundaries. I blocked 2 hours per night for client work, and that was it. I used automation to manage delivery timelines so clients knew when to expect results. They respected my time because I respected it first. If you want your first clients today, here's your action list. Pick one deliverable you can promise, set a simple price, write a short personal outreach message, send it to 50 people. Deliver your first 3 orders with care and ask for testimonials. That's your starting point. People will doubt. They'll say, A, I will steal jobs. Maybe. Or maybe it will create new ways to earn. They'll say you need to be technical. You don't. I wasn't. They'll say it's risky. Everything is risky, but starting small and cheap makes it safer. Now imagine this. You check your bank account and see $1,000 land from work you set up days ago. Imagine the relief, the breathing space. This isn't a dream, it's just a series of steps. You can copy them, improve them, and make them your own. So now it's your turn. Which one deliverable will you pick? Comment below with your idea. I'll read them and give feedback. And if you want the exact prompt templates I used, hit like and subscribe because I'll share them in my next video.